Sun is coming up. We're in the yard. We have a trailer already loaded. We're going to something like 6, 7, 8 stops. I'm not sure. It's a lot of stops. We have our first stop in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, to a little tiny place with no dock. That's annoying. And kind of looks a little scary on the map, but they always look scarier on Google than they do in real life. So we'll see how it goes. After Baton Rouge, we're going to Houston, Texas. After that, we're going to Austin, Texas. And Austin is still a big city. Not quite as big as Houston, I don't think. At least it'll be something a little bit different. And down in Louisiana, we can get some boudin. That's like the most yummy sausage in the entire world. But you can only get it down there. And hopefully we're gonna find a Whataburger, because Chase is dying to have a Whataburger. So am I. It's one of the best hamburger places in the whole country. I don't know why they haven't spread across the whole country yet, but it would be nice. So we're gonna hook up to this preloaded trailer and we're gonna get on out of here. Here we go. Just went shopping. Just putting all the groceries away. Thanks. What the heck is that?
They're little PB&J sandwiches.
PB&J sandwiches.
Yeah, you stick them in the freezer and you just thaw one out when you want to eat one.
You eat it cold?
What?
Do you just eat it cold?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh.
I mean, you don't eat it like an ice cream. You thaw it out.
Huh. Strange.
They're good.
Yeah.
Never had one?
I have never had one. Maybe I'll try one. One of these times. Yeah.
There's this cool brand of milk.
I love that. It is the best milk in the world. It's the creamiest.
Oh yeah,
No,
what's this brand? Fairlife, if you want to send us a sponsor.
Sponsorship for Fairlife milk. It is the best milk I think I've ever had.
Throw some love our
But
way.
if you like your milk to be really, really creamy, get that one right there, the red one, vitamin D. I probably should have got the 2% because that would probably be a little bit less thick.
Oh yeah, we definitely should have gotten that.
But I got it for cooking, and for cooking you want it to be thick.
Yes.
It's much better if it's thick when you're cooking with it. What do we got? Oh, forks. Forks. Anyway, we're at a Walmart. Let's see. And Salem, Illinois, the Walmart. We got 660 miles to get to Baton Rouge. But after this, we only got 4 hours left to drive. I don't know how far we're gonna make it. Hopefully, like Missouri Welcome Center or something like that. As soon as Chase gets done putting away the groceries. Chase is easy to get to do work. You just have to buy him pie. 6 in the morning. I thought I had slept in or something. When I opened the curtain, it was like, was the sun coming out? Wow. It wasn't the sun, it's this truck. It's lit up like Christmas. Wonder if we can, must be something you can buy at like Iowa 80 or something. Pretty cool, I guess. He can see when he's doing his pre-trip, walking around. It's very blue. Well, we drove about 40 miles maybe before my tablet said upcoming violation. And I look over and it says I only have an hour to drive. So we pulled into this little truck parking area and I messaged my dispatcher and they said, yeah, that's right. You won't get time back until midnight. So my appointment is supposed to be tomorrow at like 8 a.m. I believe. I'm definitely not driving at midnight. That's for sure. I guess so. Son of a bitch. It ain't one thing, it's another. I was just sitting up here and this minivan pulls up with all these little kids, and the lady is just like doing something in the van and she's not paying attention. And see this little kid with the diaper on running into the street right there, just running back and forth in the street. And I'm like, oh my God, am I gonna see a baby get ran over? Because sitting here all day, I have seen trucks just like pull straight through spots or pull through there, like going 30, 40 miles an hour. It seems they're freaking going through like bat out of hell. And here's a baby just running through. I don't know if they realize how dangerous that is or not, but that was crazy. or rainy Louisiana. We had a hell of a morning. That first load, oh my goodness. From the minute I got off the freeway, there were low branches, just scraping the truck all over the place. The roof, the side. I was like going around sharp corners. There was an intersection where I had to turn right that was like so small that I don't know, even a car could barely turn that right corner. And you could see where all the trucks have been going all the way up on the grass and making this big mud hole on the right. I'll show you in the video. And so we get to the place, we have to turn left into the business in a side street. This is the only way in, and it's the only way out. The only way out is just go straight. And we're driving along, and then see this big branch coming up, and you could see on the bottom of it where the trucks have been scraping it. So I was like, all right, this is definitely going to like go over the top of the truck and like scrape along the top of the trailer. But apparently we're maybe an inch or two higher than all the other trucks that have been through there, and it caught the corner of my trailer, yanked that thing right off. It fell on the ground. Man, that was just the most stressful place to have to deliver. Reminded me of when Rob and I used to do team loads, a lot of them to like California, Seattle. It was what we called zip loads because that was part of the name of the company that we did them for. And there were all these little tiny places that didn't have any loading docks. I mean, we delivered to like gas stations. Like, there was this one gas station that we delivered to that was just this tiny little gas station in a city near Los Angeles. And we had to do some crazy sharp turn and block some traffic. Rob was outside blocking things. Some guy pulled up, started honking at him. Guy got out of his car, wanted to beat Rob up, and this is not the only time that has happened. Just gonna have to do it. Anyway, take a look at this video.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right after the CVS pharmacy.
Looks like I'm gonna hit a tree. Straight ahead is the only way out. You have to go up there where those cars are crossing and then turn left. And you see that tree over the road that's really low. Well, that's where I thought I was going to just like scrape underneath of it like the other trucks did, because you could see where there was bark missing. But no such luck. My truck decided to grab that branch and yank it right off. Yeah, that was horrible. At least once I got up there to the end, all I had to do was turn left and go back around the block and get back to the freeway. We only hit a few more little branches here and there on the way, but nothing else fell off. I hope I never have to come back here again. And that is what led us to where we are now in Rouge, Louisiana. We got 211 miles to go to get to our first drop in Houston, which means we have to leave here around 5 in the morning or a little bit earlier than that because of the traffic there is real shitty. Got about 4 stops there. And then the next day we're going to Austin. Hopefully we have a better day. If you like the video, subscribe. Come back and see us. Bye now.